Hello and welcome to Gabriel's 3D Printing. Today we'll be looking at this ice cream cone splat hanger uploaded by Dwayne Indeed. This model comes in two files. You have the cone and the ice cream. And whenever you slice and print them, I recommend you print them separately. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to download both the required files, and to do that you're going to go here to Thing Files and click on the blue download button for both of these. Once you're done with that, you'll click on this caret option here if you have Chrome and click Show in Folder. And here you'll see both of your files. We'll first click on one and drag it over to our Cura slicer. And let go, and it should import automatically. And we'll start off with the cone. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Profile up here and select whatever quality you want. I printed mine at a low quality and it still came out pretty nicely. But if you want to have a crisper and more finer cone, then go with standard quality. If this pops up, you're going to click on Discard Changes, which is going to erase all previous modifications to the profile. So if you had supports previously or whatnot, it's just resetting everything. This model does not require any supports, so we will not enable that. And the only thing you will need to do here is to add build plate adhesion if you have poor bed adhesion. Now with my printer, on the bed I have hairspray, so my print is definitely going to get stuck on there and it won't tilt or fall over during printing. But if you don't have any adhesion on your build plate, then go here to build plate adhesion, click on this build plate adhesion type and click on brim. And that'll basically make a brim on the outside of the model to increase the surface area that's touching the build plate. Then after that, hit slice, give it a few seconds, and once it's done slicing, you should be able to see the estimated time, the amount of filament, and you can also click on preview to take a look on how the model will actually turn out. So just hold right click to move the camera around, and you'll see this white line, which is a seam. That is unavoidable, but other than that, everything looks good on here. So save the file and send it over to your printer and off to the next model. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the prepare button. You're going to click on the cone and press delete on your keyboard, and that'll erase everything there. We're going to go back to our downloads. Now we're going to click and hold on the hat hanger and import that here. For this model, you don't need support and you also do not need any adhesion. So once again, profile, select whatever quality you selected before, discard changes, and after that, all I have to do is click slice. Once it's done slicing, once again, you'll be given the time estimate, the amount of filament. You can also preview it and take a look around, see if anything weird or funky is going on, and everything looks good to me. So save the file and send it over to your printer. Once the prints are finished, all you have to do is put the cone on top of the ice cream and it will sit upright by itself. You don't need any glue or any other adhesives. Let me know down below if you liked the video or if you want to see any other tutorials for other models.